Hi guys, Kanika here. You're watching the K Factor by Kanika Kush. Okay, scenario. Have you ever been to a salon and you're getting your hair done or you're getting your facial or anything else? Okay, guy, woman, anybody. Okay, and after a bit, the salesperson or whoever it is on the floor will basically start to say stuff like, अरे आपके तो बाल ये XYZ इतने ग्रेस, आपके बाल ऐसे इतने वीक हो रहे हैं, इतने झड़ रहे हैं, आपकी स्किन कैसी है, कितनी ऑयली स्किन है, मैम आप ये कराते नहीं, सर आप ये कराते नहीं, आपको कराना चाहिए, right? And you start to feel like less, है ना? That oh shit, yeah man, yeah, he's right or she's right, you know. Of course, with age you start to say, please now stop the marketing pitches and just do your stuff, and I'm gonna go. But not everybody does that. A lot of us fall prey to the feeling that that person is giving us, that oh my god, I'm oh shit, yeah, okay, and then we will just agree and we'll pay and we'll get the products and we'll get the stuff done, right? That is scenario number one. I'm sure it happens to a lot of us, or it has happened to a lot of you. With me though, it has happened a lot. Okay, abhi khair I've become a little rude. Okay, so that is scenario one. Or let's say you've gone to an electronics department, जी आपको TV खरीदना है, but you end up buying a lot more appliances or electronic items than you had planned for, because the salesperson is so good that they'll make you feel like आपके पास ये नहीं है, आपको पता नहीं है कि ये तो सर सब खरीद रहे हैं आजकल, हाउ कम यू आर नॉट बाइंग? सो यू स्टार्ट टू फील ओ माय गॉड, वो जो रेस चल रही है उसमें मैं पीछे रह गया, ओ आई नीड टू बाय, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन, आई मीन कम ऑन, अदरवाइज ये क्या सोचेगा कि आई कांट अफोर्ड, राइट? दिस हैपेंस. अगर ये भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, देन हियर्स अ लिटिल एग्जांपल. ओके, दिस इज अ फ्लावर. This is obviously an artificial flower, वो जानबूझ के लिया मैंने, and it is nice and long. Okay, and this is a प्यारा सा rose. Okay, now this is you, right? Of course, you have forgotten that you are a rose and you're very pretty and you're a symbol of love or a symbol of beauty, nature, so pretty, smells so great. You've forgotten that. आप तो भूल गए हो because you're not in front of the mirror ना all the time, है ना? Neither is anybody appreciating you 24/7. Okay. Now here's the other. So these are the capitalist people. Okay. Now typically what happens? Oh, I am so much longer and thinner. You know what? I can suggest a cream to you जिससे आप भी लंबे हो सकते हैं. So then you'll be like, oh हाँ, I am shorter, yeah, oh I should. तो वो लंबे होने वाली क्रीम ले लेंगे आप. और oh, you know what? In 4 weeks you have to check out my videos. Okay, in 4 weeks you will lose 4 inches from your waist. So please do that. Then you'll be like, हाँ यार, I've put on weight and whatever this thing is suggesting, I should take it, right? Or your skin, your color is very different. Look at mine. This is so pretty. Look at yours. Not good. Okay, so this is the cream. Huh? See, check out my Insta videos. Okay, I mean immediate, instant. Okay, please buy it. So you'll be like, yeah, I should. होता है कि नहीं? Okay, welcome to the world of something that is called deficit advertising, which everybody is kind of basing their foundation on, especially today, because of this little weakness that all humans have. Okay, now please, I think my request to everybody, to myself included, is that we need to wake up. Okay, we are being led or misled, I would say, by all these companies, because they don't care a damn about how you look or how you feel about your health or who you are and or what are your priorities in life or what your outlook is. I mean, seriously, when you go and buy stuff or when somebody is convincing you to pick up stuff, उस टाइम पे क्या वो आपका लाइफ हिस्ट्री पूछ रहे होते हैं कि जी आपका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, आपके प्रायोरिटीज क्या है, आउटलुक क्या है, आप जिंदगी में क्या करना चाहते हो, व्हाट इज योर पर्पस, व्हाट्स योर पैशन? सीरियसली, nobody does. All they try to do is make you feel less. They make you feel deficient, right? They make you feel like inferior, that you are not worthy. Okay, अगर आप ऐसे ही चलते रहोगे जैसे आप हो ना, तो God save you. But I'm here to save you because I can actually help you with such and such product. Okay, and that will make you feel better about yourself. Oh, and don't worry about the price because उतना तो आप अफोर्ड कर ही सकते हैं ना. देखिए, दुनिया भी तो अफोर्ड कर रही है. अगर आप अफोर्ड नहीं करोगे तो अच्छा पैसे नहीं है आपके पास. Getting it? Are you understanding? It's called deficit advertising. This is something that everybody is adopting these days. Please don't fall prey to this. Okay, now let's look at the rose in itself. I know that we are not looking at ourselves daily in the mirror, but guys, with minimalism, I'm not saying I'm there. I'm maybe just 20% there. Even today, I feel inferior in a lot of things. I also fall prey to a lot of ads that, oh yeah, if I use this, so I'll also become better. Maybe my skin will become better. It's just that it has reduced to a very very large degree. Okay, and I see through these guys. Okay, to the extent sometimes it's embarrassing to people around me the way I talk to them. Okay, so in fact कभी ना मैं live video लूंगी when I talk to sales people like face to face. अभी तो COVID चल रहा है, so it's only one way street happening, which is why by one way street I mean it's all digital, right? अभी face to face interaction तो you're not really doing with any human being per se so much because of COVID. Mostly you are purchasing stuff online, and trust me on this, it is all on deficit advertising. Okay, so guys, when you slowly start to adopt to minimalism, I've told you this, because all the stuff that you think is validating who you are has disappeared. The stuff is not there, so your validation for yourself is not attached with things. What happens, because there is emptiness around in your house and in your mind, you move inwards, and then you suddenly realize, I am so beautiful, I am so kind, I am so compassionate, or I have so and so gifts that I've been given, or so and so talents. I have empathy. Everything is inside. Everybody is beautiful. Everybody is perfect the way they are. Don't you think so? I mean, imagine a rose saying that. Just compare yourself with the rose. I mean, seriously, would you want the rose to change itself? No, right? So please think about it. And next time that you want to order anything just because they're making you feel inferior, remember this term, deficit advertising. I also came across this term recently, but I thought it will be like a very nice catchphrase to share it with you guys so that you could remember this next time you're going to do an impulse purchase. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.